Lemur. The lemur is a small primate native to the island of Madagascar, off the east coast of Africa. There are over 100 species of lemurs, ranging in size from the tiny pygmy mouse lemur to the larger Indri lemur, which can grow up to 3 feet tall. Lemurs are known for their large, round eyes and long furry tails. They are primarily herbivorous, feeding on fruits, leaves, and flowers. Some species of lemurs are nocturnal, while others are active during the day. Unfortunately, lemurs are also one of the most endangered groups of mammals on Earth, with over 90% of species facing extinction due to habitat destruction and hunting. Conservation efforts are ongoing to try and protect these unique and important animals. Sure, here are some interesting facts about the life of lemurs. Number 1. Lemurs are arboreal animals, meaning that they spend most of their time in trees. Number 2. They are social animals, and live in groups called troops. Number 3. Lemurs have a variety of vocalizations, including calls, screams, and songs, which they use for communication. Number 4. Some species of lemurs, like the ring-tailed lemur, have a very unique way of marking their territory. They use scent glands on their wrists to mark trees and other objects in their territory. Number 5. Lemurs have a specialized tooth structure called a tooth comb that they use to groom themselves and each other. Number 6. Female lemurs are typically the dominant members of their social group, and males must compete for their attention. Number 7. Lemurs have a unique way of grooming each other called tooth cleaning, where one lemur will use its teeth to clean the fur of another lemur. Number 8. Lemurs are excellent climbers and can leap up to 10 feet between trees. Number 9. Some species of lemurs, like the ii, have elongated fingers that they use to find insects hiding inside tree bark. Number 10. Lemurs have a relatively long lifespan compared to other small mammals, with some species living up to 30 years in captivity. Lemurs face a number of biological challenges that make them vulnerable to extinction. Some of these challenges include: Number 1. Habitat destruction. The primary reason for the decline of lemur populations is habitat loss due to deforestation, agricultural expansion, and logging. This results in the loss of the trees and vegetation that lemurs depend on for food and shelter. Number 2. Fragmentation of habitat. The remaining habitat for lemurs is often fragmented, which can isolate populations and make it difficult for them to find mates and maintain genetic diversity. Number 3. Climate change. Changes in temperature and rainfall patterns can affect the availability of food and water for lemurs, and also increase the risk of disease. Number 4. Hunting and poaching. Lemurs are hunted for their meat, as well as for use in traditional medicine and as pets. Number 5. Invasive species. The introduction of non-native species, such as rats and cats, can compete with lemurs for resources, and also prey on them. Number 6. Limited range. Lemurs are endemic to Madagascar, which means they are found nowhere else in the world. This limited range makes them particularly vulnerable to threats such as habitat loss and disease. Conservation efforts are critical to address these challenges and protect lemurs from extinction. These efforts can include habitat protection, restoration, and management, as well as programs to reduce hunting and poaching, and control the spread of invasive species.